to the explainer. When we talk about the AI boom, it's so easy to just get caught up in the software side of things, right? The clever algorithms, the massive training data sets. But actually, scratch that. It's way more than just code now. We're looking at a literal, massive physical undertaking. We're talking about unprecedented infrastructural strain. Data centers are expanding at warp speed, and frankly, the sheer logistical nightmare of keeping this whole operation running is getting intense. Okay, let's dive into this, because this quote absolutely nails the reality we're facing. The robots eat electricity for breakfast. It's kind of funny to picture, sure, but it captures a dead serious problem. The relentless resource strain of modern AI is just off the charts. We're dealing with models that require absolutely immense power, not to mention flawless, round-the-clock coordination, just to function at a baseline level. And because of that relentless demand, AI infrastructure is scaling like crazy. Honestly, it's expanding at a rate that borders on totally unmanageable. We aren't just plugging in a few extra servers in the back room anymore. We're creating immense, tangled complexity and just staggering logistical overhead. The old ways of managing things, they're being pushed to their absolute breaking point right before our eyes. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how we actually go about solving this mess. Enter ZAPTEST and their proprietary technology, OneScript. Basically, this is a cross-platform automation technology, and it's built specifically for these sprawling, super complex cloud environments we were just talking about. Think of it like an incredibly intelligent Swiss Army knife, one that's perfectly designed to cut straight through all the chaos of this rapid scaling. Let's move to and see how this builds, because in practical application, OneScript actually automates 3 core workflows across these massive environments: monitoring, testing, and your day-to-day operations. Imagine trying to manually herd cats across a dozen different cloud platforms. It's impossible, right? Instead of doing that, this automation steps in. It ensures your infrastructure is constantly being verified and running at peak efficiency. And the best part? It happens entirely without human intervention. So the crucial point is really this ultimate payoff here. Look at the two sides of the equation. Over on one side, you have this wild, chaotic scaling. Those electricity-eating AI robots constantly demanding more resources, constantly threatening your system's health. But flip over to the other side, and thanks to OneScript, you've got stable, reliable enterprise systems. This automation literally bridges that massive gap. It's what helps enterprises maintain absolute operational stability right smack in the middle of this rapid AI expansion. Which brings us to the ultimate takeaway for us today. As AI infrastructure continues to scale at this absolute breakneck pace, and we know it's not slowing down, is your automation actually keeping your system stable? Seriously, are you prepared for the robot's breakfast? It's a critical challenge, and you really need to look inward and think carefully about your own infrastructure. How are you managing that growing complexity? Think about it. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and definitely keep questioning how your own systems are adapting to the frontier.